Somebody threw out some rolls of natural cork. This is liner for like shelves and cases and so on. I came up with several things to use it with. I also found these tiles people threw out, so I put them on the bottom. They make a good thing for kitchen or in the house to put hot or cold things down onto wood furniture so you don't scratch it up and you can still use it. I have some really old books that were falling apart. This is from 1917, Life on the Mississippi. And I did an experiment. I know bookbinders are probably tearing their hair out looking at this. This is not real bookbinding, but it was just an expedient method to use some cork that was free, and it saved the book from being tattered and thrown away. The only thing is, over time, the glue doesn't stick on the back of the spine. I put some of the very good quality Gorilla tape, clear. It did a good job, however, it does crack here, so I don't think this is a successful idea, but it helps, but it wasn't as good as it should be. This other book I found recently is from the 70s. It's falling apart, but there's a lot of good information in this book, and the cover was all ratty. It had been chewed up, and it was dirty, and this was torn and scratched. I just covered the front and the back with the cork, and then put some black Gorilla tape along the spine, and it's holding up really good, and I don't think it'll be a problem with separating. And the cork lends itself to drawing the title of the book and doing some silly illustrations. But this will save this book and give it a new lease on life, and continue to be a welcome addition to my library. So if you have some cork, you can use it to line things, like I said, the tiles, but also in some cases they make a good cover for books. It's not bookbinder quality. This is an old book, but it's a $10 book. But it has a nice feel to it. It is pleasant to hold. You know, it's natural. It's not plastic, and you can make decorative stuff on it too. All right, take care. See you out there.